So guys, did you see that? मैंने थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगाया. I put a little bit of an eyeliner and I thought balcony में एक photo session करेंगे. But यहाँ पे तो बंदरों की टोली आ गई and there were about 10 or 12 monkeys. So mummy and Kunal really डर गए and they have shut the window. The monkeys were sitting on our balcony for such a long time. So अभी balcony में photo session करने का plan cancel. We're just planning to go down in the garden area, just stroll for 10-15 minutes and then just come up. Also, I just put on lipstick today. In the whole day, I just put on a little bit of a lipstick. This one is from Nykaa and I love it. It just brightens up the face. But anyways, this vlog is not about the lipstick. This vlog is about this trip, which I'm really enjoying. And now I'm going to update you after I go down. See you then. Hi guys, so as you can already tell, behind us it started to rain so much. हम बंदरों से बच के we came down to click some pictures और हम जैसे ही नीचे आए it started drizzling and now it's raining so heavily. So looks like clicking the pictures today out in the garden by the pool is going to be not happening. So we are just going to have a cup of tea, maybe have some cookies and then head to the room again. कुणाल ने और मैंने अपनी गरम कॉफ़ी ले ली है and we are just sitting here near the garden in the open and can you see the dhund is so much of fog and it's literally just moving. I don't know if the camera can capture it but all this is just fog and it's just moving. That is Kunal. And that is our garam coffee.
ये सही लग रहा है. I told you ना अब होगी. So guys, can you see there's so much of dhund behind me, so much of fog. हम चाय पी के वापस इधर गार्डन एरिया में आ गए हैं और ये धुंध it's just so surreal, feels almost so magical, so heavenly. It's just so beautiful, so peaceful, so calm. And there Kunal is trying to find a spot to make a reel for himself. It's just too beautiful. Just look at this view, the pool. I literally feel like I'm between the clouds. Hi guys, so we are still in the jungle area of the resort. Kunal is here with me. Looks like photo sessions तो होने वाला है नहीं, but we are really enjoying the dhund. And this is the other side of the property. you know, your cars go down. This is the jungle side, so we just thought we will take a round in and around the property. वैसे भी आज महाराष्ट्र बंद है, so the market area is closed and a few other things. The spots where you can go and have some fun, the touristy spots closed for today because of Maharashtra band, unfortunately. But anyways, whatever it is still very nice, still very grateful. And now gonna catch with Kunal and go for a walk. So this is one of my favorite parts of this property. I just love this chandelier. It's just so dreamy. I love it.
So guys, outfit changed. Outfit change as in I'm just wearing a knitted pullover and we are going down because somebody sitting in the lobby is making sketches of couples. So हमने सोचा let's give it a shot. If it turns out good, maybe we'll just put it up, you know, in our living room. So that's where we are going.
Really pretty. It looks so beautiful in the evenings. Come with me. Look at this fountain. And the best part is it's in pink. So how can I not love it? I love this fountain. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. Thinking अभी शाम के 6:30 बज रहे हैं, so let's take a small stroll a little bit outside the resort. Probably if the market is open, we'll show you the market area. So let's go. मार्केट से बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करके आ गए. वेल बहुत सारी नहीं, थोड़ी बहुत, some knickknacks, some clothing for mom, and now we've come home. I am super tired and I don't have the strength to go out for dinner. I don't think I can even go down to the restaurant, so we've just called for some room service. Kunal has already started his dinner with his paneer. यहाँ पे मम्मी is having her chicken soup
So I think this is it for the vlog today. I don't know how much I was able to show you, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching whatever you guys saw. This vlog is extra special to me because my mom joined us and Kunal made it so special. He's taken every effort to make sure that the two of us feel comfortable, we don't feel paranoid. And with this, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I'm going to go and join them for dinner. And having said that, I'm going to take your leave right here on this vlog. If you have watched the vlog till here and if you've liked it, please do not forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video with your friends and family. And until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.